Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You're most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I'll read two beautiful stories with two beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me. Yes, with all your attention. Now the stories, but you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start. The first story. One frosty autumn day, an ant was busily storing away some of the kernels of wheat which he had gathered during the summer to tide him over the coming winter. A grasshopper, half perishing from hunger, came limping by. Perceiving what the industrious ant was doing, he asked for a morsel from the ant's store to save his life. "What were you doing all during the summer while I was busy harvesting?" inquired the ant. "Oh," replied the grasshopper, "I was not idle. I was singing and chirping all day long." "Well," said the ant, smiling grimly as he locked his granary door, "since you sang all summer, it looks as though you would have to dance all winter." The name of the story, The Ant and the Grasshopper. Moral: it is thrifty to prepare today for the wants of tomorrow. The second story. A fox had the misfortune to fall into a well from which, try as he might, he could not escape. Just as he was beginning to be worried, a goat came along, intent on quenching his thirst. "Why, friend Fox, what are you doing down there?" he cried. "Do you mean to say that you haven't heard about the great drought, friend Goat?" the fox said. "As soon as I heard, I jumped down here where the water is plentiful. I would advise you to come down too. It is the best water I have ever tasted. I have drunk so much that I can scarcely move." When the goat heard this, he leaped into the well without any more ado. The fox immediately jumped to the goat's back and, using his long horns, was able to scramble out of the well to safety. Then he called down to the unhappy goat the following advice: "The next time, friend goat, be sure to look before you leap." Then he called down to the unhappy goat the following advice: "Next time, friend goat, be sure to look before you leap." The name of the story, The Fox and the Goat. The moral: it is not safe to trust the advice of a man in difficulties.